Hi guys, how are you? So today we have Beautyfix and this is for the month of August and I'm receiving it at the end. So I'm kind of confused what's going on with this box because usually I receive it at the beginning of the month. But nevertheless, this one is actually $26.45 and it's $24.95 for the box and $1.50 for shipping and handling. So here is the box, how it looks, and let's get to open it. So you open it and it looks like that. It does not say the price point of anything. So it says ready, set, jet. Summary might be coming to an end, but it's not over yet. Pack your bags for spontaneous overnight trips or jet set on that long waiting vacation. And wherever you go down the street or across the globe, here is the whole box of travel ready to take with you. So I have all the things right here. So let's get into opening it. So we have, the first thing is, what is this? This is helps promote a restful beauty sleep, melatonin and B6. 7-night supply. So it does like you have 7 pills. Yeah, so it looks like that. Nice, nice, nice. I mean, I have tried pump before, but never a pill form. Take 1 tablet 20 minutes before bedtime. So that's nice. Let's see the next thing. That one says soothing. No, wait a minute. Jet lag, I don't know her. Promote a deep and restful sleep with this drug-free vitamin-rich blend. The next thing I see is apple cider vinegar scalp scrub with pink Himalayan sea salt. I like that. And I have received something from this brand, but it's like actually a watery vinegary thing. This one is more like a paste. I can feel it in the sample. So it looks like this. I guess it's like one-time application. It says whether it's the sand, sea, or hotel shampoo, some things you don't do your scalp any favors. Find your relief with this detoxifying scrub. It says works products through the hands and fingers and massage into the scalp and roots. Do not expect lather. Rinse thoroughly. So you don't even leave it for a little bit. Just, I guess, scrub, and then wash it off. Okay, so I see another thing I have gotten in the past is the Beauty Blender. And so this one, it says Loterasi. Leave the words oily, shiny, and sweaty at home. Compact enough for a purse or pocket. This sponge absorbs all without swearing your makeup. So that's nice. I think I gotten it before, and it has like what is this? So it's like improved formula blender cleanser. So it comes with like a beauty cleanser. It's like a, I guess, give your favorite sponge a bath with this newly formulated. So it's the cleanser and the sponge. Comes like that. So I actually did my makeup a while ago, so we can try it. Yeah, I guess it works. I have no idea. So yeah. It seems like a weird thing to get. I don't know, but it's nice, I guess. We have the Marvis Whitening Mint. So this is a toothpaste, and let's read about it. Whitening Mint toothpaste. Finally, a travel side toothpaste you will want to keep using even after vacation. Whiten, refreshen, and protect on the go. So everything is nice for a travel first thing. Then we have the Skin Medica Eye Repair H. So this one right here, it says red eye flights. Hotel beds and sleeping bags don't make for the best sleep conditions. Wake up tired eyes with this top-rated eye cream. The next thing, I already have one. That's why I'm not even gonna open it. This is very nice because it's Ultra Repair Lip Therapy. Dry air, fruity cocktails, and too much sun can be especially dehydrating on your lips. Repair and protect with this antioxidant-rich balm. So I like that one. I like First Aid Beauty. Let's see, the next thing we have this Enso Laszlo New York. Oh, I have gotten this before. Your vacation may not involve that sea floating, but you can also still restore skin benefits with this travel size cleansing bar. I like cleansing bars, it's just that I haven't gotten to use any of them. Look at this cute little cleansing bar. So cute. Okay. That brand, somebody told me one of the comments that is really expensive. I have not had any reference other than it's expensive. Somebody told me that's about it. The next thing, ooh, it's from Tarte Cosmetics. I like this. It's makeup-y, and this is Tarte's Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint. White waist, precious bags, real estate with lip colors. When one will do. This ultra pigmented rosy nude will complement every single outfit. So it's rosy nude. Sometimes the rosy nudes to me looks like more brownish. So I wanted to actually try it. Yeah. It's brown. Always smells so funny. It smells like paint thinner or something. Nice. And then we have something big. It says dry powder shampoo. Always good for traveling. Although I have like a million of them. Yeah. I said. And then the last thing I think I have gotten before is Laboratories Patch Essence. This is for the eyes. Says soothing and relaxing patches with soothing cornflower eye contour. Ooh, nice. So it's like that, and it comes like a bunch of them. Seven of them. I'll have to give some to my mom. She loves trying these things out too. So yeah, I like it. So 7 of them. This is not a bad box, guys. I mean, always surprising what I get. But yeah, hopefully you like this box as well as I did, and give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave a comment below if you know any of the brands. Some of them I have no clue what they are or have never heard of them before, and I would like to hear from you guys. I hope you talk to me soon, and bye guys.